Hi, my name is Munro, and I'm a service advisor here at Mercedes-Benz of Smithtown, and I just wanted to take a quick moment to welcome you to our dealership and walk you through the service process and what you can expect when you pull up to our dealer. First, you'll see two big garage doors that you'd pull up to. Please pull into the one that has the green arrow lit above it. When you pull into the dealer, we will have one of our valet guys waiting for you. If one of our service advisors is available at the moment, they would be right out to assist you. If not, we would ask for you to stay with your vehicle until one of us is able to come out and assist you and take all the concerns on the vehicles that you have today. The next step of the process, we would bring you inside after we get the information from the vehicle and sit down at one of our desks to go over all the concerns that you may have for the day's visit. If you do decide that you're going to be waiting with us after we get those concerns documented, we will walk you down to our lovely waiting area where you can enjoy some coffee and refreshments that we'll have waiting for you. The car will then go into the back of the shop where our trained certified technicians will be waiting to take care of all the vehicle's concerns for you on that visit. The work will all be completed. Upon completion, one of our service advisors that you were dealing with on the day will come and get you from the waiting area and bring you back to their desk to sign you out and go over all the repairs that were performed for you. Upon completion, we will pull the vehicle back into the drive for you to pull on out and enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for taking the time to enjoy this video we made for you, and we look forward to seeing you on your next service visit here at Mercedes-Benz of Smithtown. Have a great day.